What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 109 and today's topic will be agent scratchpad example in LangChain. This is not actually a tutorial. This is just an example or demo use case where my ultimate objective is to showcase the usage of agent scratchpad. Basically, I got multiple requests from a lot of my students and few of my YouTube like members, the channel members or channel subscribers, that what is agent scratchpad, how to use it, why should you use it, those sort of things. And I thought of creating this tutorial. Okay, so basically agent scratchpad is a place, or agent scratchpad is a variable where your LLM is actually going to write some details about the steps or about the operation or like execution, whatever it is doing while executing the intermediate or underlying tools and agent. So basically the use case is actually will be going to create an agent, and inside the agent I'll be going to use some tool, and also agent is actually going to use some sort of prompt. So inside the prompt I'll be going to set up a variable called agent scratchpad. So my LLM is actually going to use that agent scratchpad to write down some intermediate information to perform the next operation. Suppose LLM is actually doing some operation now, and in the next step it is going to do some more operation. So previous operation steps or some details will be written in the agent scratchpad. So in the next operation LLM or agent is actually going to take a reference from this thing. So there are a lot of details are available in the documentation, but if your ultimate objective is to get along with the practical essence, then probably this tutorial is actually going to help you a lot. So what exactly we're gonna do in this tutorial, I'll be just going to establish search tool with LangChain agent, and I'll be just going to run through simple search operation. Okay, and while doing that I'll be just use that agent scratchpad. Okay, so let's start working on this thing, and the source code is actually available here. Okay, so let me minimize this thing, let me open my VS code, and let's start working on the thing. Okay, so before I start, so for Tably search tool you have to go here and set up the Tably API. So it will going to give you an API key. Without that API key you will get an error. Okay, so let's start working on the code. Okay, okay, dot tools dot Tably search, import Tably search result, right? Then from LangChain underscore OpenAI import chat OpenAI. Okay, then from LangChain dot core dot prompts. Okay, import chat prompt template. Okay, and message placeholder. Okay, and then LangChain dot agents import create OpenAI functions agent and agent executor. Okay, that's it, done, everything is fine, right? So first thing we'll be going to set up the LLM, and then okay, fine. So let me check up to this point I have no error. Okay, there is no error. Now I'll be just going to set up the search. So search equals to Tably search result. So basically if your API key is not set, this is going to give you an error. Okay, Okay, no error. So now let's create the most important part is actually here prompt is actually chat prompt template dot from messages. Okay, like this, and this is going to be a list, and uh, here what we'll be going to do, so it will be human, no, I think it will be AI message or system message, right? So there are two things like system message and human message. So here it will be system. Okay, so system will be you are an expert in searching internet and returning output as with nice formatted para paragraphs. Okay, done, right? This is one thing, right? And then comma, right? So next thing will be this. I think why this is the error is coming here. It is saying this is not closed. This is closed here already. This is closed here already, and this is here. System. Strange thing. I don't know why we are getting this error. Hmm. As such, there is no error. I don't know why this error is coming. So basically, the error is coming because it is like this. Okay. Then human equals to comma this, and it will be input will be like user will be going to ask some question, so that is why this is input, right? This now the next important question will be message placeholder, right? Sorry, so it should be message placeholder. And now the interesting thing here, you have to set the message placeholder, or else what will happen, it will not work. Okay, so message placeholder is like that, and after that it will be variable name, and it should be agent, and you have to use the same variable name, strat scratchpad. Okay, so let's execute and see whether I'm getting any error or not. No error means everything is fine. Let's say if you give something else, let's see what is happening. Yeah, it is not giving any error, but in the real scenario it will going to give an error, so I'll explain you that as well, right? So this is done. Now what will happen, we have to create a tools equals to this search. I set up the tool. Okay, then let's create the agent equals to create OpenAI function agent, then LLM equals to LLM, then tools equals to tools, right? And then prompt equals to prompt. Okay, prompt equals to prompt. uh, don't put verbose equals to true or something, because verbose is actually not an argument for this thing. So it is done. Now the important thing is, now what I'll do, I'll be just going to make this line commented and see whether I'm getting any error or not. Yeah, see, prompt must have input variable agent scratchpad but was not found input instead. So basically you have to put this agent scratchpad variable, or else this will not work. Because if you're using chat prompt template, if you're using prompt template with a tool, then you have to use that way, because tool is going to do some calculation, and LLM is actually going to take care of the calculation and intermediate steps, and to take care of all of those things, LLM requires some space or place to put everything there, right? So for that they are using this variable, or basically they are using this memory location. Okay, that is the ultimate thing. Okay, that is the agent scratchpad. That is the concept. Okay, now next thing is we have to set up an executor. Executor equals to agent executor, and inside that we have to write agent equals to agent. Okay, and then tools equals to tools. Let me check whether it is working or not. Everything is working, and here you can put verbose equals to true. Okay, that is the place to put. Okay, okay, so now what will happen? Response equals to uh, executor dot invoke. Okay, so what will happen here? Input, and there I'll be just going to put something. Okay, what is the latest news in West Bengal? So there is a latest news going on in West Bengal related to Arjikar Medical Hospital. So probably that will come here. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Print. Okay. 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 See, it is coming here nicely, right? So what I want, I just want to put that output here, right? Output, right? So let's see. Okay, so see, this is not the latest thing. Okay, I believe this is not using the tool probably. Okay, so tools equals to tools. I don't know whether it is using the tool or not. Yeah, now probably it is using the tool. Yeah, now it is using the tool. Uh, yeah, so let's see. Some information is available. Okay, it is just giving. It is just giving the URL, so not the properly formatted things are not coming. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, let me check URL Kolkata. Yeah, something like that is coming, but I believe uh, mm, let's ask something different. Okay, what is the latest news in cricket? Okay, let's see. So hopefully something will come. Yeah, it is actually checking October 23, but that is not the thing. Cricket uh, in August 2024. Let's see. Yeah, so now this is going to do the correct thing. Yeah, yeah. So see, Yeah, it is not giving me the correct answer, but some important information is actually coming. Okay. uh, News, what is the latest news in cricket? uh, as per today's date, 25th August 2024. Let's ask this question here a little bit different way. Okay, it is not giving me the score or something like that, because this match has been actually already called, I mean, we already got a result of this match, but it is not coming. Okay, but you need, you see something here, this stably search is actually not useful. Like if you are using Google serper API, maybe that is more useful, but here my objective is actually not to get the result out of it. My ultimate objective is actually to show you guys, if you are using some custom tool or some inbuilt tools, and if you are still using the prompt, then you have to use this thing, or else it will not work. Okay, so that is the main objective of this tutorial. If your requirement is to use some sort of tool, and if your requirement is to actually use that tool from a agent, or if your requirement is to actually to execute that tool from an agent, and your agent is actually going to uh, parse some sort of prompt, means user is going to insert some sort of prompt, and after that you are going to play around with tools, agent and agent executor, then you have to use agent scratchpad, or else it will not work. Okay, so that is the ultimate objective. Okay, hopefully I am able to put this thing in a very simple way. The requirement is, if you want to use tool, agent, and if you want to use prompt template, then you have to use agent scratchpad, or else this combination will not work. Yeah, if you can directly use like tool, it doesn't matter, but if you want to use some prompt, then definitely user is actually going to do some sort of input, right? So that time you have to use this agent scratchpad. Okay, so that's it. That is the end of this tutorial. I think I can conclude the tutorial over here, but before I conclude, I would like to raise couple of points. First thing is, if you're watching this video for the first time, thank you very much. And I'm happy that you find this video finally, and you are watching this channel, and hopefully you will like the other videos as well. So my humble request is, try to go to my channel playlist and search for LangChain and Llama Index playlist. If you see in the LangChain, this is the 109th tutorial. So I'm already posted 108 tutorials, so you can imagine a lot of effort I already put to build this playlist and to deliver some sort of knowledge within your within the community, right? So please help me to grow and get some benefit out of it. In terms of benefit, I'm just looking some sort of support from all of you guys. Please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon as well. Okay, and last but not least, if you find these videos are helpful, doing something good for you, for your learning or for your project, please let us know, have some sort of feedback in the comment box, because that will help other viewers to find this video as well. And also this will help YouTube algorithm to rank this video accordingly. It's its 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 price means the content value, right? And this is also going to help me and motivate me, so that I can come back and create some more quality content. So I need your help, guys, because my ultimate objective is to reach large number of audience. So please help me, guys, to reach my goals, and I will promise that I'm promising, actually not promise, I'm promising that I'll come back again and again with nice and quality content. Okay, so that's it, guys, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.